Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. In other stories, the prophet Shepherd Bushiri has paid a tribute to his daughter Saint Israela, who died in 2021. Bushiri says though a time with their family was short, her light continues to shine in their hearts forever. You are a gift, a blessing, and a reminder of God's endless love, he posted. The prophet Shepherd Bushiri's daughter Israela passed away in March 2021 at the age of 8 due to a lung infection. She was known for intelligence, faith, and comforting presence, often lifting her parents' spirits during difficult times. Many people in the comment section have sympathized with Bushiri, citing the struggles of losing a child. The pain of losing your child can never be compared to anything in this world. It's a fresh wound every day, but we continue to ask the Holy Spirit to help us. God never makes mistakes, one person posted. And another one said, clinging to that wreath is a mother longing to hold a child again. Someone else said, if you have never lost a child, you wouldn't understand. I only comfort myself that my baby is in heaven. May Israela Bushiri's soul continue to rest in peace. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.